is the forecast.
Dude, they keep on
for the
reporting
New York
flash
City
flooding
metropolitan
in Nassau
area. Flood watch
County,
in
New
effect
York.
through late tonight.
Reports
This
flash
afternoon,
flood.
showers with
A
a slight
motorist
chance
has
of
been stranded in
thunderstorms.
floodwaters. Fire
Locally
department
heavy rainfall
responding to conduct
Highs in the
water
lower
rescues.
60s. Northeast winds 10 to
This is
15
gonna be
miles per hour
this
with
is
gusts
gonna be
up to
another
25
good
miles
EAS
per hour.
compilation, guys.
Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, showers with a slight
Guys, look.
chance of thunderstorms in the evening.
I found a
and
leaf in the
showers likely
house.
after midnight.
It's a tiny leaf
Locally
from a
heavy
tree.
rainfall possible in the evening. Lows in the upper 50s. A strong thunderstorm
Oh,
over
marine
the
weather
waters.
statement.
The areas affected include
got a marine weather
Sandy Hook,
statement.
New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles at 3:47 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a strong
We got
thunderstorm
another
capable
marine
of
weather
producing winds
statement.
to around 30 knots.
We got another
This
marine weather
thunderstorm was
statement,
located
guys.
near Island Park, moving northeast at 15 knots.
We got another marine
Locations
weather
impacted
statement.
include Middle Bay, Jones Beach, Island Park,
Yo, we got
Barnum
another
Island,
marine
and
weather
entrance to
statement.
New York Harbor.
There's
Runners
another
can
marine
expect
weather
gusty
statement,
winds to
guys.
around 30 knots, locally
We
high
have another
waves,
marine weather
lightning
statement.
strikes, and heavy downpours. Boaters should
7
seek
p.m.
safe
is gonna
harbors
be heavy
immediately
rain.
until the storm passes. Here is the forecast for the New York